Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need Gitlab rights, kubectl access, and Helm installed. Once confirmed, add the Gitlab runner Helm repo and update it. This prepares charts. Next, create a namespace for Gitlab resources and a service account for CI/CD access. Make sure to generate or have a Kubernetes config secret ready. You'll register the runner using that token. These first steps establish authentication and chart availability, so deployments can proceed securely and reproducibly. Now you install and register the runner. Edit values. YAML to set the executor, Kubernetes, image, concurrency, and RBAC settings. This controls pod behavior. Then deploy with Helm to create the runner deployment and service. Once the pods are running, copy the registration token from Gitlab project or group and run the Helm upgrade or kubectl exec registration step to attach the runner to your project. This ties your cluster executor to Gitlab, so pipelines will schedule pods on demand. Finish by securing and validating the setup. Apply RBAC and network policy to limit access and store secrets in Kubernetes secrets or Gitlab CI variables. Commit a minimal. Gitlab CI. YAML that runs a quick job to verify pod scheduling and job logs. If a job fails, first check runner and pod logs and kubectl describe for events, then confirm the registration token, image pull secrets, and resource limits. One key troubleshooting tip. Mismatched service account permissions are the most common blocker. Reconcile RBAC and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.